Welcome to PcMac. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a USB video looper using any of the Raspberry Pi board. If you have any board lying around, you can use that to create this build. So let's do it. First of all, we need to visit a website that contains the image, or you can say a pre-built image to create this build. So let me just go ahead and open Safari, and the website is videolooper.de. When you open it, you will see here is the website. You can download the latest image directly from here. And once you download the image, you can use the Raspberry Pi imager to write the image to the SD card. Choose it and move it to the custom. Use custom. I have already downloaded it. So here is the image. I put it here on the screen, and you can just click on use custom, then look for the image. It's right here, video looper, and then open. Once it's connected, you can just choose the storage and write the image. It will take around 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, depending upon the speed of your computer. Once it's done, what you need to do is close the Raspberry Pi and then plug in the SD card to your Raspberry Pi. I'm using Raspberry Pi 4 2GB version for this project. You can use any of the board lying around and this will work absolutely fine. Now what we need to do, we need to plug in the SD card to our Pi. So I'm going to plug in the SD card, and now I'm turning on the Raspberry Pi. So this build is using Diet Pi, and once it's up, it will show you these options. Now in this build, you don't need to do anything. It's just plug and play. You need to install the operating system to your Pi. Once it's done, it will start detecting your USB drive. If the USB drive is not available, it will show you insert USB drive with compatible movies. What do you mean by compatible movies? The movies that are 1080p movies. You need to use those movies in this flash drive to play. It will not support, you can say, reels or other things. It will only support the 1080p movies. Now I'm going to plug in my flash drive. I have put some files onto it. Some of the files are not supported, some of them are supported. Now I'm going to plug in the flash drive and then let's see what will happen. Now the flash drive is inserted. You can see found 8 media files, starting playback now in 1 second. It will always give you the prompt whenever you change your flash drive. You can put different files on your different USB drives, and whenever you want to play, just unplug the drive and plug it to the Pi. Now you can see it's working and the footage is here. I have put some footage. Let's see whether these are working fine or not. So the first footage is this one. Now it will change to the next one. Now this is the second footage. It will take some time. I'll fast forward the video. Let's see whether it play the third or fourth or not. So only two videos are supported. That's why it again loop to the first video. You need to check the video format and then you need to plug in the flash drive using those videos, and it will loop those videos for you. And one more thing that I want to share with you, that you need to format the flash drive, the USB drive, to FAT32, NTFS or exFAT in case of macOS, and then place the video inside the USB drive and it will work absolutely fine. So that's it for today. This is the video for how to create Raspberry Pi as a USB video looper. If you like my work, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification for my latest videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.